Assalamu alaikum to everyone. This is Amir Ali. Topic of my MOOC presentation is a basic of AutoCAD software. Mostly everyone heard about this software and also have a command on it. So I will share some basic of AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a very easy to learn and very helpful for all students as well as for employees in many different fields, and learning how to use CAD will definitely be required at some point in your career. So content of my presentation is first brief introduction of AutoCAD. Secondly, I will share the working and features of AutoCAD. After that, I will tell you how I used it in my practical life, and in last, the reason of choosing AutoCAD and its application. Moving ahead to introduction slide. Introduction of AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design software developed by Autodesk Company in December 1982. It allows you to draw and edit 2D and 3D designs more quickly and easily than you could by hand. It is used by architects, engineers, interior designer, real estate developers, artists, and the list goes on and on. AutoCAD has become the premier software used in 2D modeling as well as for 3D modeling, and all other CAD software applications are modeled after its interference. As a result, knowing AutoCAD's interference will give you some insight into using any other application. It is used by 19.3 million people in the world. The next is about working and features of AutoCAD. Working of AutoCAD. Before using AutoCAD software, it is compulsory to first make Autodesk account to get access of all softwares of AutoCAD. After it, we can run it in our PC. Method to start drawing in AutoCAD. When it starts, you will get a setup dialog box. Then click on Start New Drawing. This opens a new drawing based on default template, where you can get different features of AutoCAD. All as all software contains their different functions. Similarly, AutoCAD has also its own different features, as these are visible on this slide. Application button. This we can save files, send our work to printer machine, or we can close our current drawing. Second most important feature is command line, where you have to put a simple command to perform any action in AutoCAD. Then we can also see ribbon area, where are different icons of drawing like circle, rectangle, line, text writing option, dimensioning, and layers. Likewise, all the tools perform different functions. This was all about 2D drafting. We can also convert our work into 3D modeling. For that, I have made a simple text in 2D. To convert this into 3D, we click on small gear button below in the right corner. There is option of 3D modeling. Clicking on it, we will get 3D modeling options. And then by using press pull or explore commands, we can convert it into 3D as it is visible on this slide. There are many other features, advanced features in AutoCAD too. Moving to next slide, practical use of AutoCAD. So question arises in our minds, why we use this software, how it helps in our practical life. Answer of this question you will get after next two slides. This is a picture of manual drawing of one of my classmates. When I asked him how much it took time to make this one sheet of drawing, he told me not less than 2 to 3 hours. I surprised. When I made it in AutoCAD, it takes only 10 to 20 minutes. So it is also helpful to complete work in very short time. And now, why I did choose to learn AutoCAD software? The reason was many students think for part-time job to live independent life. For that, students need a skill, so this is the best option to learn AutoCAD. and work as a freelancer in Upwork, Fiverr, and Solid Gigs. That's why I studied basic of AutoCAD in Coursera. After learning this, I started work on Fiverr as well as in Upwork. Moving to next slide, applications of AutoCAD in different fields. Architects Architects use their 2D plans to create 3D designs. And next is civil engineers use this AutoCAD for base map creation. It helps to make better construction documentation. And third one is mechanical engineers. They make different parts of automobile and digital prototype solution. And last is interior designers. They make indoors space functional, safe and beautiful by determining space requires and selecting essential decorative items such as color, lighting and materials. That's all from my side. Thank you very